Hey guys, in this video I will be showing you how to set up your Aliexpress affiliate ID using Admit ID affiliate network so you can sell your products directly on the Aliexpress website and earn affiliate commission. Okay, so first log into your Expressfy account and click on settings from the side menu. Scroll down to the affiliate settings section and switch on the enable affiliate switch. Click on this link to redirect to the Admit ID website and sign up for an advertiser account, or log in case you already signed up. Visit the programs page and join the Aliexpress affiliate program. After joining the program, click on this button and extract your affiliate ID from the affiliate link. Click on copy and go back to the Expressfy dashboard and paste the affiliate ID you copied in the affiliate ID field. Click on save and visit your import list. Select the product you would like to sell on Aliexpress and change the where to sell value to Aliexpress. Click on save and click on the view link to view your product page. Okay, so that's our Shopify product page, and if we scroll down a bit, we will see that the view on Aliexpress button has been added. Let's click on it. And we're gonna be redirected to the product page on Aliexpress, where our customers can place an order for the product and we're gonna earn affiliate commission. Okay, the final step is gonna be verifying that your affiliate link works properly and connected to your Admit ID account, so you can be sure that the sales are connected to your account. Go back to the Expressfy dashboard and click on check link. You're gonna be redirected to the Admit ID link checker tool, where you can verify that your link is connected properly. And that's it. Please make sure you subscribe for our YouTube channel for more dropshipping tips and Expressify updates. See you next time.